Unniyappam is one of those nostalgic snacks that instantly transports you to evenings with family and that crispy, caramelized crust, pure magic. Today I'm going to show you how to make unniyappam without banana. Yes, without losing its charm. First, the ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of raw rice, 1/4 cup of jaggery, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of grated coconut, 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1/2 teaspoon of sesame seeds, and a pinch of salt. Simplicity is key. Now wash and soak the rice for about 4 to 5 hours. This step makes all the difference in texture and allows the batter to blend smoothly. Use visuals of rice soaking here. Trust me, it's oddly relaxing to watch. While the rice soaks, let's focus on jaggery. Grate it finely, melt it with 2 tablespoons of water over medium heat, and strain to remove any impurities. It should be silky smooth, somewhere between syrup and molasses. Once the rice is soaked, drain it completely and blend with the cooled jaggery syrup. Keep blending until it reaches a semi-thick batter consistency, not too runny, not too thick. Add water in tiny increments if needed. Transfer the batter into a bowl and add the all-purpose flour. Stir to combine, ensuring no lumps remain. Incorporate the grated coconut, cardamom powder, sesame seeds, and a pinch of salt. This is where the flavor magic happens. Now here's a pro tip. Let the batter rest for about an hour. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully, and it also impacts the texture of the unniyappams. Trust me, patience always pays off in cooking. Heat in a special pan with small cavities and pour coconut oil generously into each cavity. Coconut oil isn't just tradition, it gives that unbeatable crunch. Don't skimp on it. Once the oil is hot, lower the flame to medium. Carefully pour batter into each cavity, filling about 3/4. This gives them room to puff up without spilling over. Watching them rise is oddly satisfying. Keep rotating the unniyappams gently with a skewer or fork, ensuring they cook evenly on all sides. They're ready when deep brown and caramelized, usually taking just 2 to 3 minutes per side. Remove them onto a kitchen towel to drain excess oil, though you'll notice good unniyappams don't hold much oil. Common pain point? Greasy results usually signal your oil wasn't hot enough. Bite into one and you'll be greeted with crisp edges, a soft and sticky center, and an explosion of jaggery and coconut flavors. Skip bananas? Who needs them when the results are this good? Unniyappams store well for a couple of days at room temperature. But honestly, does anyone ever have leftovers? Pair these beauties with a cup of tea and you'll forget all about the day's stress.